Hey everyone, it is winter time and we all know what that means. Chapped lips galore. My little sister, who is 5, loves lip balm, and I bet she's gonna be really excited about this recipe.
Yes, we are making a kid-friendly candy cane recipe.
She's especially gonna like the candy cane scent.
For this recipe, you will need a tablespoon of beeswax, half a tablespoon of hard coconut oil, a teaspoon of sweet almond oil,
And the candy cane essential oil.
boop, 10 drops of that, and also 2 lip balm containers. First, we are going to melt everything together.
All right.
I like to melt the coconut oil and beeswax together first.
Okay.
And then add the almond oil later because that'll help cool it down, and then it cools down faster and your lip balm's ready
Got
to
it.
go. So let's turn this baby on. Super taggy. So Shiloh, what is your favorite Christmas carol?
Jingle bells. It's kind of
Good
lame,
one.
right?
It goes well with your sweater.
I would jump up and down right now, but I'm pretty sure it would make the camera move, so. Once it's done,
And melted, you can add the sweet almond oil and essential oil, and it'll start to harden right away.
wow, how many of these?
10.
Wow.
All right, stir it, and it'll start to solidify pretty quickly. If it gets too hard before you can pour it, you can just bop it back onto the double boiler
You're gonna have to bop
to
it.
melt it again. And like we learned, you have to work quickly, otherwise it's going to
Solidify.
Yep, that's the word. All right, now you're gonna let it cool. This will take 10-ish minutes, and once it's cooled, you can add your label, and it's ready to go.
Smells really good.
Smells like candy cane. Once it's cooled down, you can put the cap on and label it, and you have a super cute lip balm.
And you can use this with yourself or your kids because it's kid friendly.
Woo woo!
For recipes like this, go to simplyearth.com and check out our recipe box.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.